Sabarmati River, Ahmedabad. This heavy wind, so you can see the water of this river is continuously flowing, and the bank is full. You can check it out over here. The whole river is full. It is full of water, and you can see the heavy tides of Sabarmati River. It seems like it is a sea. Just have a glance at it. This is the riverfront of Sabarmati River, and this is the river itself. You can check it out over here. In the time of monsoon, it looks very pleasant. You can even check out the sky. Here the sky is cloudy, but it is very clear, and you can even check it out. Calico road is just beside this river. This floating clouds and this blue sky, very clear and blue sky. These are the clouds, and above that you can see, check it out, the clear clouds also. This scene is really amazing one. If at all you are present over here, then you can really enjoy it, the real sound, everything. Just have a glance at it again. Enjoy the scenario. The tides dashing over the rock. It really seems like it is a sea. This water is always stagnant, but now you can see that it is moving and the high tides are there. So it is really enjoyable thing. Just enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our video, then do like, share and subscribe our channel for more such videos. You can enjoy each and every nook and corner of the Ahmedabad from our YouTube channel. So for today this much is enough. We shall meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.